Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for an efficient way to connect with your customers and elevate your marketing efforts on WhatsApp? Today I'm excited to introduce you to something truly game-changing, WhatsApp Marketing Official API Panel software. In this video, we'll dive into an overview of both the admin panel and the user panel. First things first, let's get you logged in. Simply enter your username and password, then complete the CAPTCHA for security. Opt for Remember Me to make future logins easier. Hit Sign In and you'll be greeted by a comprehensive dashboard. This dashboard is your command center. It provides an immediate glimpse into your campaign performance with categories like marketing, utility, and authentication, providing valuable insights into your metrics such as total sent, read, and failed messages. Plus, the application section offers additional functionalities, while KYC details ensures compliance. Let's explore features that make software names stand out. Head to the message section, where you can set up your campaign with ease. Utilize meta templates to streamline communication, compose messages with interactive elements, and manage your contact lists, whether by importing or typing out individual numbers. Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp campaigns? Empowers you with robust tools for seamless connectivity and effective audience engagement. Check out the link in the description below to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tutorials.